Hi there, today we will show you how to download all photos from Google to your laptop.
So Google Photos is one of the most widely used tools for storing photos and videos with cloud storage, and it's super easy to access your favorite memories from anywhere. But what if you want to back everything up or switch to a different platform or to have access in your computer? How can you download everything at once? So many people don't know that Google offers an amazing tool called Google Takeout, which it lets you download all the photos and videos in an organized way. And the best part, it's official, secure, super easy to use. And I'll walk through it to the entire process step by step. Okay. So before I dive into the tutorial, let me quickly explain what the Google Takeout is. So it's an official tool by Google that allows you to download all the data stored in your account, from emails to your Google Photos library. Okay, so it's completely secure and very simple to use. And the great thing is that you can choose exactly what you want to download, whether it's everything or just specific folders. We are going to open the Google account right here, Google app. We are going to type takeout.google.com. So make sure you are logging into your Google account that contains the photos that you want to download. So select only the photo. Here you're going to mark it. You're gonna mark it all, and you just will let it mark it actually the drive right here. It can be that thing, or it can be just the Google Photos. In this case, let's just let mark the drive, because there are some stuff that are personal in my Google Photos and I don't want you guys to see. So let's see on the drive, just let it mark it. Okay, then we are going on the down below the page and go next step. Here we are going to select the option that is called transfer to email. Export at once. Here you are going to choose the type of the file. It can be .zap or .tjz, and the size of the file, and you can choose whatever the file it is. I'm going to put the 50, because if there are some files that is very high, very big, we can download it too. And now you click on the create exportation. The Google is creating a copy of the data of the drive, and this process can take a little bit of time, possibly hours or days to be concluded. You get an email when exportation is concluded. So what do you think of this tutorial? I hope it helped you solve the problem of downloading your Google Photos at once. And if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment below, and share it with someone who might need it. And if you find or have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments. I would love to help you, and I see you soon.